Hello students, I am Venkateswarlu. In this session, we are conducting mock test 3 for the chapter of molecular basis of inheritance. Previously, we have completed 2 mock tests for this chapter. Each test contains 25 questions with explanation. In this one is mock test 3. Question number 51. A nucleoside is. Right option is 1. Nucleoside means nitrogen base and sugar. When it added to phosphate, that is called nucleotide. Nucleotide. This is nucleotide. But the question is nucleoside. So the right option is 1. Question number 52. A nucleoside differs from a nucleotide in not having. The right option is 3. Phosphate. Question number 53. How many types of nitrogenous bases are found in nucleic acids? How many types of nitrogenous bases are found in nucleic acids? So nucleic acids are 2 types, that is RNA and DNA. In those, both contains 5 types of nitrogenous bases. Those are adenine, guanine, thymine, cytosine and uracil. These 2 are called purines. These 3 are called pyrimidines. Total number of nitrogen bases are 5. So the right option is 1. Question number 54. In the carbon skeleton of the pentose sugar in DNA, what is the attachment point of a base to form a nucleoside? In the carbon skeleton of the pentose sugar, what is the attachment point of nitrogen base in the formation of nucleoside? Right option is 3. C1, first carbon. Right option is first carbon. So in pentose sugar, nitrogen base attached to first carbon. See the picture, belongs to nucleoside and nucleotide. This is the nucleoside and this one is nucleotide. So carbon 1, carbon 2, carbon 3, carbon 4 and this is the 5th carbon. And this one is belongs to nitrogen bases. So nitrogen base attached to first carbon. Attached to first carbon. So the right option is 3. C1. Question number 55. The carbon atoms of the pentose sugar involved in phosphodiester bond formation in DNA and RNA are. The carbon atoms of the pentose sugar involved in phosphodiester bond formation in DNA and RNA. So what are the carbon atoms involved in the formation of phosphodiester bond? What are the carbons? Which carbons are involved in the formation of phosphodiester bonds? So the right option is option number 4. C3 and C5. Third carbon and 5th carbon. In between the third carbon and 5th carbon, phosphodiester bond is formed in DNA and RNA. See, this picture belongs to formation of phosphodiester bond. This one is pentose sugar. In this third carbon and another pentose sugar, fifth carbon. In between these two carbons, phosphodiester bond is formed. Phosphodiester bond is formed. This is phosphodiester bond. Phosphodiester bond. So it is formed in between third carbon of the one pentose sugar and fifth carbon of the other pentose sugar. So third carbon and fifth carbon, in between these two carbons, phosphodiester bonds are formed. Question number 56. In DNA double helix. In DNA double helix. So in this, the right option is third one. Adenine of on one strand is hydrogen bonded to thymine on the opposite strand. So adenine always binds with thymine. Adenine always binds to thymine with two hydrogen bonds. So this is the right option of this question. The remaining are not correct. Question number 57. To determine the three-dimensional structure of DNA, Watson and Crick took the help of. To determine the three-dimensional structure of DNA, Watson and Crick took the help of. The right option is 2. That is X-ray diffraction technique. It is also called as crystallography. X-ray diffraction technique also called crystallography. It is explained by Franklin and Wilkins. Crystallography technique or X-ray diffraction technique belongs to Franklin and Wilkins. Question number 58. Recipients of Nobel Prize for DNA double helical are. Recipients of Nobel Prize for DNA double helical structure. That is option number 1. Watson and Crick in the year 1962. They won Nobel Prize in 1962. Watson and Crick. Question number 59. What is true for Watson and Crick's model of DNA? It is duplex with. What is true for Watson and Crick's model? So in this, right option is 2. 10 base pairs and 34 angstroms distance for every turn. For every turn. This is the DNA helical structure. This is one helix. So each helix contains 10 nitrogen bases. 10 nitrogen bases. The distance of one helix is 340 angstroms. 340 angstroms. So what is the distance in between two nucleotides? It means 340 divided by 10. That equal to 34 angstroms. 34 angstroms is the correct one. So second one is right answer. Question number 60. DNA has so right option is fourth one. Right-handed coiling and anti-parallel. DNA has right-handed coiling. Those are in anti-parallel. Question number 61. A short length of DNA molecule has 80 thymine and 80 guanine bases. 80 thymine and 80 guanine bases. The total number of nucleotides in the DNA fragment is. So in the DNA structure, it contains 80 thymine, 80 thymine and 80 guanine. 80 thymine, 80 guanine. So what are the number of nucleotides? So if in DNA structure, all adenines always equal to number of adenines equals to number of thymines, and number of guanines equal to number of cytosines, because DNA contains two strands are anti-parallel. So the number of purines equal to number of pyrimidines. So guanines 80, it means cytosines also 80. Thymine 80, it means adenine also contains 80. So each nitrogen base forms a nucleotide. Each nitrogen base forms a nucleotide. It means a nitrogen base, sugar, phosphate. It is a nitrogen base 1. Thymine, sugar, phosphate. It is one nitrogen base. Guanine, sugar, phosphate. It is one nitrogen base. Cytosine, sugar, phosphate. It is another nitrogen base. Totally 4 nucleotides are formed. 4 nucleotides are formed. So 80 into 4, totally 320. The right answer is 320. So a short length of DNA molecule has 80 thymine and 80 guanine bases. The total number of nucleotides in the DNA fragments is 320 nucleotides are present. Question number 62. The acidic characters of DNA and RNA are due to the presence of phosphate, that is phosphoric acid. So right option is fourth one. Due to the presence of phosphoric group in the DNA and RNA structure, it obtains acidic nature. Question number 63. The proteins associated with nucleic acids are. The proteins associated with nucleic acids are. Right option is first, histones. The proteins associated with nucleic acids are histones. So histone proteins are associated with nucleic acids. Question number 64. DNA with equal nitrogen bases would most probably a DNA with unequal nitrogen bases. Unequal nitrogen bases. So normally in DNA it contains 2 strands. In this, number of adenine equal to number of thymine, number of guanine equal to number of cytosine. So there is no unequal nature. If it is unequal, that is belongs to single stranded. Only single stranded, that nitrogen bases are unequal. Question number 65. DNA is mainly found in. The right option is second one, nucleus. DNA contains nucleus. Question number 66. In a DNA, percentage of thymine is 20%. What will be percentage of guanine? The question is, thymine contains 20%. In the DNA, thymine is 20%. So according Chargaff, number of thymines is equal to number of adenine. number of guanine is equal to number of cytosine. So here thymine is 20%. So T equal to 20%. It means A is also equal to 20%. T20, A20. Then what will be the percentage of G? That is equal to 30. C also 30. So total 50, 50, totally 100. So when thymine is 20, guanine is 30. So the right option is question number 66. Right option is 3. 30% is the right answer. Question number 67. In the DNA molecule, read the following 4 options carefully. Right option is second one. There are 2 strands. DNA contains 2 strands which run anti-parallel. 2 strands are run anti-parallel. One strand is 5' to 3' direction and other one is 3' to 5' direction. Both are anti-parallel, opposite manner. So that is right option is 2. Question number 68. Diameter of DNA helix. Diameter of DNA helix is, right option is 2. 20 angstroms. Diameter of DNA helix is 20 angstroms. Question number 69. The anti-parallel nature of DNA refers to. The anti-parallel nature of DNA refers to. So see, read the options 4. In these, the right answer is option number 3. The opposite direction of 2 strands. So then that is called anti-parallel. Anti-parallel means 2 strands are opposite direction. Question number 70. The double helix model of Watson and Crick is known as. Double helix model of Watson and Crick is known as. Right option is 2. That is bDNA. Double helix structure of Watson and Crick model is bDNA. That is right-handed helical. Question number 71. DNA is. Right option is 2. It is rarely single stranded. So most of the DNA it shows double stranded. Rarely it is single stranded. Question number 72. The difference between RNA and DNA is because of. Because of the presence of sugar and base. In RNA, the sugar is ribose sugar, and in DNA, sugar is deoxyribose. And bases, in DNA, adenine, guanine, thymine, cytosine, nitrogen bases are present in DNA, whereas in RNA, adenine, guanine, uracil and cytosine is present. So right option is second option is correct. Question number 73. The linkage that joins 2 adjacent nucleotides in RNA is. The linkage that joins the 2 adjacent nucleotides. So joins of 2 adjacent nucleotides is. Right option is 2. Phosphodiester bond. Phosphodiester bond is formed in between 2 adjacent nucleotides. Right option is 2. Phosphodiester bond. Question number 74. If percentage of cytosine is 18%, then percentage of adenine will be. Cytosine is 18%. Cytosine. cytosine is 18%. So according Chargaff, C always equal to number of cytosine equal to number of guanine, number of adenine equal to number of thymine. So when C is 18, G also 18. Then A is 32, thymine also 32. So totally 100%. So our number is 100. So right option is 32. So 74, right option is 1, that is 32%. Adenine will be 32%. Question number 75. DNA has 4 different types of nitrogenous bases. DNA has 4 different nitrogen bases are present. Both those are adenine, guanine, thymine and cytosine. So the right option is 1, adenine, thymine, guanine and cytosine. Uracil is present only in RNA. So there is no not correct option of 2. So in the third option, adaxine. So there is no nitrogen bases with the name of adaxine. And fourth option, in this uracil also present. So uracil is present only in RNA. So these two are not the correct answer. Only first one is right answer. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please share, comment, like and subscribe to my channel.